Flow states. Let's dive raw and real on some powerful keys and understandings about bringing more flow into our lives, creatively, like personally. Just really flow, my friends, transforms your life. It gives you like the deepest sense of fulfillment and happiness is by like really giving your all. Your genius, your great works, your creative like mastery comes when you're deeply engaged in a flow state. Furthermore, just like areas of flow in our life, we live in a day and a time where resistance is rampant and wild. Everyone, myself included, I often feel so stuck and stagnant and almost like in a trance of consuming or thinking about like always trying to like fill needs or having really a lot of resistance to doing what I need to do or want to do. An inability to like make powerful moves into the world. My friends, by accessing more flow, we create a greater like power within us. And this power can be built by practicing and building containers around flow and really working with that philosophy and psychology there. So much could be said about flow states. I'm coming out with a course soon. Also, I want to start doing webinars for conscious creators on flow states. Link in the description if you want to talk to me one-on-one or check out some of that stuff. But the first thing, my friends, I want to dive into here is flow. Flow comes from focusing on the process as the end itself. Transactional value is the fastest way to fuck yourself into overthinking, forcefulness, like lower states of consciousness and rigidity moving through the world. If you find yourself really blocked in, like writing the book, creating the project, starting the blog, whatever it is, there's a time and a place to like aspire and envision and imagine like what you're creating and be inspired by that. But ultimately, when it comes to doing, when it comes to action, my friends, it's time to get out of our mind, okay? A lot of videos I've recently been posting is about connected embodiment, ultimately presence. A lot of people try to think their way into doing something, and that only creates more resistance. It creates more blockages, and you move with less power. Really, my friends, it is to set a container. I'm going to write 750 words today, in this container. I'm going to make a video. I'm going to work on this project, this creative endeavor that I've self-assigned, okay? It is to know what you're about to do and then sink into presence. Just start breathing in reality, right? Get still, like find peace within yourself, right? And move from there. It's a more mature energy. You see, oftentimes we want to move on like excitement or passion or these types of things. But like, that's not where the power lies. The power lies from being at peace and having presence. Be present, my friends. Come into presence. Come into a more connected embodiment of your being. Feel your body. Feel your heart. Feel this moment, right? And realize that there's a task before you, right? Let's rise to the calling. This is where we show up. It's about showing up with presence. Not thinking about like what you're creating, like trying to write a bestseller. Not thinking in terms of transactional value in the sense of like, I need to create this so that I get this, or this happens in my life, or, this person pays me, or, like, it is not about what you are creating. It's about the process of creating itself that is the fun, that is the experience, right? So realizing that thinking in terms of goals or like even, thinking of the future is blocking you from the flow state. The flow state is full engagement, heart and mind in the present moment, right? Full engagement with what you're working with, right? So get present, have a container for yourself and just show up. Show up as you, show up authentically, show up rooted and deeply connected to your deeper essence. My friends, creative genius flows from those who are being raw and honest with themselves, like inside themselves. Like your message that you're here to bring into the world, right? Doesn't come when you're thinking about like, trying to bring in a powerful message. It comes from being real with yourself and sharing the truth closest to your heart. Share from the place that is deeply connected inside your being, right? Just show up as you and bring all of you into the container, right? So be present, be at peace, show up to the container with all of you and fully engage with the material, realizing it is about the process itself. That's where the mastery lies. That's where the Tao lies. That's where all of it lies. The divine masculine, the king, he doesn't do anything to get something in return. He does because that is what he's here to do. Like, it is not, you know, like God's will be done through you. You know what I mean? Let the muse sing its song. Let yourself sing the song. All we have to do is get present, show up to the container, right? In ceremony. No, in the knowing that I want to fully engage with this. Yes, there's a lot of resistance. It takes effort. It takes some discipline, right? But engage with the challenge and like really just like dwell on the perfect execution of your duty. The perfect execution of your duty, right? There's inner alchemy, mental alchemy that we can do to like really realize these perspectives. But ultimately, my friends, if we're thinking about receiving transactional value or like you're feeling right now, what's going to make you feel better, like indulgences, this is the pleasure mind. That's the pleasure mind versus the execution of duty mind. Now think about this. When it comes to flow states, my friends, it is about attaining to alignment, okay? Alignment. In the sense of alignment with production. Flow comes and flows through you. Therefore, we can't be thinking in terms of a I self. We can't be thinking about what do I want? Oh, like this thing's ringing over here and I kind of want to eat this right now. I don't really it's get out of your own way, my friends, by focusing at the task at hand with all of you. And you will soon forget about all these indulgences and lusts and cravings and whatnot that rule our being and leak all of our energy. So get still, find peace, my friends, by tempering like all these things that we do to like physically pleasure ourselves, or like seeking. It's so distracting. It's so disruptive from the inspiration that is always there, but we just don't tap into it because we don't sober our view, get present, get real, and show up to perform, to give, right? So just to add to that, here's the gem, my friends. A huge key in the flow state is the idea of balancing poles, okay? And in that, which I can get into a little bit more, but there's this idea of showing up fully in the sense of being present, being still, right? Yet actively engaging with all of you into the activity, but not like losing the stillness, not getting tight and like frantic or overly engaged and excited with what you're doing, but being like tranquil through it all. And this kind of looks like, you know, full engagement, yet somewhat disattached from the outcome of what you're doing. You see, my friends, the thing that also blocks flow is ego programming in all senses, of like trying to overdo something, to like perfectionism, all these things that basically is like your little mind telling God's ever-present, you know, like life force, the creative power of the universe that's coming through you. Your little mind is trying to tell it that it needs to do it in these rigid boxes, okay? We need to be disattached from the outcome and allow flow to happen, okay? And there is an element of order and formlessness, you know? There's an element of rest and motion simultaneously. And in simple application, in simple terms, my friends, right? Be fully engaged, but disattached from the outcome itself. Just be doing. And this kind of looks like a sense of playfulness with whatever you're doing. You know, the true master isn't scared to ruin his masterpiece with a bold stroke, because he's in his child. To some degree, he's having fun. He's fully engaged in having fun with the process, right? So like showing up fully but disattached from outcome, bringing in a level of playfulness, right? And really dwell and contemplate on, if you want to reach the next level of your performance, my friends, it is to create containers for yourself, to practice complete stillness and like soft but full embodiment, right? To be really peaceful in your body. Like, you know, when you hit the perfect golf shot, when you shoot the perfect basketball throw, when you're just hot hands and you play ping pong, whatever your flow state is athletically, like you're so loose. I remember ping pong, it's like you don't even see the ball. You're not even like paying attention to the table. You're not even focused on winning. You're only focused on perfect execution of the moment at hand. That's it. Just like fully present and singular, right? Your whole body, your whole mind is operating in one. And that happens by full presence and softness of embodiment, like really being embodied, really being at peace, right? Not needing all this different kinds of chaotic energy going on inside of you. Yet fully showing up with iron focus on the task at hand. Iron focus on the task at hand, right? So it's like in ping pong or, you know, athletics, it's just iron focus on what, like, just like the process, you know, you're not really thinking about any single part. It's the image of perfect execution with grace and poise. What does that feel like? What does that look like? Envision the image of success, right? As if it was just effortless grace of perfection that flows out of you, right? And now just embody that kind of fully engagement and gracefulness, right? With presence. That creates flow. You know what I mean? Hell yeah, my friends. Those are just some quick notes on accessing the flow state, peak performance, really unlocking your power, my friends. There's so much that could be said here. That's why I do want to make a course on flow states and dive into, you know, from creating containers to the inner alchemy to, you know, leveling up into the creative genius levels and flow in different areas of our life, creatively, athletically, emotionally, relationship, creating a lot more feng shui. And really, this is the power, my friends. Flow is the power, and it's why I've been, you know, really coaching, working with a lot of people on this, because if we want to talk about getting out of our own way, getting real motion and movement, progress and fulfillment in life, if we want to talk about like the best states and feelings is when we're giving our all and we're in our element, right? That's the flow, right? Creating more flow in our lives is the fastest way to level up earth plane and spiritually, because to access the process of flow, to access the flow state, means to understand and go to war with the enemy of resistance, in a sense, because this is where all the inner alchemy goes down, is us learning how to get out of our own way, to allow something higher to flow through us, to feel connected to ourselves, to feel connected to this moment, to feel powerful in the world. Flow states are the key. If you want to dive into flow states with me one-on-one, I offer really powerful coaching and consultation sessions with people, as well as a program on flow states. You can hit me up on Instagram, my email, link in the description, where you can apply for a free one-on-one session with me. I love all you guys so much. I really hope that you can, you know, apply more flow into your life, and hopefully drop a comment if you want to see more videos like this. I have practices. I have this notebook right here of just like really just notes on the flow state, the power of creating ceremonial containers for yourself, Tantra and Taoist practices that help us embody greater softness, subtlety, connection, and presence. Really crucial stuff with breath work. And yeah, all the inner alchemy that has to do with flow, and then really understanding the balance of poles. All of that kind of comes together into a great work that one day you'll see on the flow state. You know, it's coming together slowly, but hopefully I'll have a short course out on the flow state soon. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more. Love you guys so much. Go check out my flow state playlist on YouTube, or my conscious creators playlist on YouTube for everyone out there. And hell yeah, maybe we'll get in touch soon.